Welcome guys, in this video we will show you how you can delete or remove your old devices in your Google account. So let's start. First of all, you can need to open your Gmail account. Click on profile picture, click on Google account. Now click on security, scroll down, click on manage all devices. Here you see how many devices connected on your Google account. In this Gmail I have already deleted go back and try another Google account. Here look, click on this, verify it's you owner of this device. Click on sign out. Now you successfully remove or delete your old device in your Google account. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.